A JDU youth worker Saurav Kumar was shot dead by two bike-borne criminals in Punpun area of Patna. The incident occurred at midnight when Saurav was returning home after attending a marriage reception. One more person named Munna sustained bullet injuries. Further probe in this matter is underway. So, very shocking incident coming to the fore from Patna, where a JDU youth worker Saurav Kumar was shot dead by two bike-borne criminals in Punpun area of Patna. Now, this incident occurred at midnight when Saurav was returning home, and in fact, one more person named Munna has also sustained bullet injuries. The locals, in fact, blocked the Punpun-Patna highway at night after the murder of the JDU worker. We're now being joined by CNN News 18 Saurabh Rathor with more details on this. Saurabh, has the accused been caught by the police?
See, the police have not got the clue. The incident happened late at night around 12 o'clock, and this incident took place at Punpun area, which is a suburb of Patna, where the particular JDU worker, Saurav Kumar, he was attending a reception, and after that he was returning to his home, and during that event, two bike-borne assailants came and fired at them, where Saurav Kumar died on the and Mun Kumar got injured and he was hospitalized. But the police have not cracked the case so far because it was late at night and bike-borne assailants flee from the spot after firing. But the police are investigating into this matter. And during after this incident at night, the locals and the JDU supporters their area, they tried to block the Gaya Patna road. And after a brief, small scuffle there, the situation was controlled by the police. In fact, the RJD candidate Lisa Bharti also reached at the spot in the night, and she took the stock of the situation. And the police controlled the situation, but they are still investigating into this matter.
But Saurabh, this also raises questions at the law and order in the state.
Yes, exactly. And this is the first crime that is reported. Polling has already started. The first polling is over. Voting has been over, and the second phase will be tomorrow. So this is the first political crime that has taken place in the state. And again, the question of law and order situation has arisen in the state of Bihar, where we heard how the BJP leaders have been attacking on the RJD leaders. In fact, the NDA leaders are saying that if RJD comes into power, then or they win a single seat in any constituency, the situation will deteriorate and the return of Jungle Raj will come. So the NDA leaders have been.
All right, Saurabh, thank you so much for all those details. Now let's listen into what Punpun SHO said about this murder.
4/24 को बढ़िया कोल में अजीत कुमार के भाई का रिसेप्शन का फंक्शन था। इसमें शिवनगर परसा बाज़ार के सौरभ कुमार अपने साथी के साथ आए हुए थे। तो वहाँ पर उनको लौटने के दौरान करीब 12:15 बजे मोटरसाइकिल सवार अज्ञात लोगों द्वारा गोली मार दिया गया और उनको लोग अस्पताल ले गए। उनके साथ एक मुनमुन कुमार भी घायल थे, उनको कंकड़बाग उमा अस्पताल ले जाया गया, लेकिन सौरभ कुमार की मृत्यु हो चुकी थी। तो इस संबंध में पुलिस द्वारा छानबीन किया जा रहा है, हम लोग कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
Well, that's all in this segment. My colleague Toya Singh will be taking the broadcast further from here.